our second stupid object show. Say hi, contestants.
Hello, I'm Cactus.
Look at my star.
I'm so lucky.
Help me.
There's 8 billion people inside me. I'm so bright! Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, you, stop.
No!
Your challenge is to stop the rain.
Oh no! Ah! Wait, wasn't I dead?
I recover dead people. Anyway, contestants, choose who you want out.
The rain somehow tore some of my pieces off. I hate Cloud.
I'm voting Cloud because she made my star wet.
Not only am unlucky, I also lost one eye. How am I supposed to see?
My people are gonna drown because of that idiot.
I was gonna turn dark.
Well, since everyone is voting for him, I'm doing it too.
Whatever. I vote for Cloud.
Guess what, Cloud? I stole one of Animatic's papers.
It's
There is
over
no
for
hope.
you.
You're dead.
Wait, no!
Please stop!
Why would you do that?
Anyway, see you in a second stupid object show too.
That was so cruel.